Hi, I'm Mona Lisa, and this is Basketball. Welcome back to the Curious Kid Circle. Today, we are making these super cute Valentine's diagrams. To begin, my mom uses her Cricut Maker to cut out the basket templates. Now let's prepare our materials. First, grab a parent, basket templates, glue, string, candy bag, gift tags, and candies of your choosing. Cute they came out. They're so cute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.